This series of videos demonstrates the step-by-step exercises which are included in each Parabuild installation, including the free trial version. In this exercise we'll draw a simple bracing and copy it to other parts of the drawing. Click on the bracing icon and from the bracing types dialog select angles. This will open the bracing fixing dialog, and for now we'll accept the defaults, so click OK. Following the command line prompts, first select the left side column on the side to which the bracing is to be placed. Then select the right column, also on the side for the bracing. The bracing's now drawn, but it doesn't look right. We actually want it to terminate at the attic floor, so we'll abort the command. Press cancel in the selection dialog, then press the escape key and close the dialog window. And then keep pressing the undo command until the bracing is undone. Let's try again. As before, click on the bracing icon and select angles. This time, in the bracing fixing dialog, click on the Fix the Top Side drop down and select to a level. Then set the level to attic floor. Then repeat the process of selecting the left column, then the right, again on the side to which the bracing is to be placed. And from the gusset plate selection dialog, double click the connection rectangular gusset plate, and from the middle connection dialog, double click bolt. If you don't want a connection here, just press the cancel button and the connection will be skipped. Then press enter to end the command. This command has drawn several connections which include the bracing itself, the middle connection and the 4 gusset plates, with an edit dialog for each. But for now we'll accept the defaults and close the open dialog windows. We'll now copy this bracing with all of its components. Click on the Smart Copy icon and select the large green macro sphere of the new bracing and press enter to confirm the selection. Then, following the command line prompts, select the left side column of the bay to where you want to copy the bracing to, then select the right column. Zoom in on the beam between the new columns and select the top plane of the beam by clicking the cursor until the plane is highlighted. Then press enter to confirm the plane selection and press enter again to end the command. The bracing, together with all of its connections, were copied. Parabuild asks for the height of the bracing again through the plane selection method, so the copy doesn't necessarily have to be the same height as the original. There are other exercises with each Parabuild installation, and if you'd like to try these yourself, there's a free Parabuild trial available on our website.